Welcome to Sad Educare. This video we are going to learn the easy way to estimate sums and difference before solving exactly. Let's start. Here is total 14 math. We have to find the exact value and estimating sums and difference. But this part I am trying to solve 7 math. Number 1 already mentioned exact value. So what is the estimate value? 78 we can write 80. 49 we can write 50. This is the nearest 10. So what is the result? Result is 130. Look, 74 nearest 10 is 70, but 75 nearest 10 is what? 80. So be careful about this one, right? Next one, 65 nearest 10 70, 49 nearest 10 40. We will find out the difference. So 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. Answer is 30. So what is the exactly? 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So look, this is estimate and this is what? Exact. Next, 88. Estimate value is 90. 19. Estimate value 20. So we will find difference. 0, 9 minus 2, 7. And what is the exact value? 8 minus 9 is not possible. So we should consider this one is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9, carry 1. So 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. Right? Then 72. Round 10, nearest 10 is 70. 22, nearest 10 is 20. So estimate value is 50. So what is the exact? 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 2, 50. Similar. Next one, 39. Estimate value or nearest round 10, 40. 31, nearest round 10, 30. So answer is 10. This is the difference. So what is the exact difference? 9 minus 1, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. So answer is 8. How about 38? 38 estimate value which is nearest 10, 40. 36 nearest 10 also 40. The difference is 0, but exact difference is 2. And today's final question, 74 nearest 10, 70. 24 nearest 10, 20. So once we make summation, 0, 7 plus 2 is 9. What about exact? 4 plus 4 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 98 is the exact value and 90 is the estimate value which is nearest 10. So again I want to say like 69. Nearest 10 is what? 70. But 71. Nearest 10, this one also 70. So be careful about this one. So this video I am trying to solve 7 math. Next video we will try to solve another math. which is from 8 to 14. Till then, take care, keep practice. This math is helping for grade 3 primary mathematics. Thank you.